routine. Restarting protocol. Neon lights on a broken screen. Life running through a silent machine. Every step like a loaded file. Every truth hidden under denial. City breathing electric brain. Every loss riding through the pain. People living inside the cold. Running fast on a frozen road. I saw the cracks in the perfect frame. Every system built on a game. If the world wants to see me fall, I'll rebuild from the protocol. After the crash I rise again. Through the fire, through the pain. Every scar became a sign. Now the future code is mine.